Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, March 21, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, March 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 21, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, March 21, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 67 million pesos for March 21, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, March 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.